When a person is thrown in the sea, he ought to die, he's alive. A fish comes and gobbles him, he ought to die, he's alive. For 3 days and 3 nights, with heat and suffocation, a man ought to die, he's alive. When he's thrown out onto the shore, he ought to die, he's alive. Alive, 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 alive. A miracle of a miracle of a miracle of a miracle. Now I'm asking the question, Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, said, so as Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of the fish, so shall the Son of Man be 3 days and 3 nights in the heart of the earth. How was Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, in the sepulchre? After he was removed from the cross and put in the grave in the sepulchre, was Jesus dead or alive in the sepulchre?
He was dead.
Alive or dead?
He was dead.
Was dead. That means he told a lie. If Jesus was dead, Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, said, as Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of the fish, so shall the Son of Man be 3 days and 3 nights in the heart of the earth. If he has to fulfill the prophecy, should he be dead or alive?
Alive.
Alive. So how come you are saying it's dead? This is the teaching of the church, not of the Bible. So if he has to fulfill the prophecy, he has to be alive. So Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, is alive. When he was put on the cross, he did not die. He was alive. He was taken down from the cross and put in the sepulchre. He was alive. He ought to die, but he did not die. He did not die on the cross because it's a miracle. If he dies, where is the miracle?